Decision making contains conditional statements. They are used to evaluate one or more conditions and make the decision whether to execute a set of statements or not. These decision making statements in the programming language decides the flow of direction in the program execution. And topics comes under the conditional statements are if else, if else if, switch case, ternary. If statement. The expression must evaluate to true or false. The statement can be a group of statements in the braces. The syntax for if condition, if expression, and the statements inside the if. And the flowchart for if condition. If condition is true, the statements inside the condition will get executed. If it is false, it directly goes to end. And the example for if statement. Here I would like to take a fruit and check whether the fruit I need and which is there inside is same or not. Here I'll enter the fruit name as apple and I'll compare the fruit name with strcmp and I give a name as apple and inside the fruit also the apple, then this printf statement will get executed. If suppose I take fruit name as banana, then this condition will not get true and nothing statement will get printed. And here is the real life example. If it is rainy, we take umbrella. If not, we do nothing. If else. If else contains a single condition. If it is true, then statements inside the if will get executed. If it is false, then statements inside the else will get executed. And this is the syntax for if else. Here is the flowchart for if else. If the condition is true, the statements inside the if part will get executed. If condition is false, the statements inside the else part will get executed. And then it will go to end. And here is the real life example. Here we have two conditions. If 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 it is red signal, then we have to stop. Else we have to move. And the example in C language is here I took two scenarios. If you would like to read, we should choose study. Else we can enjoy. Here I take the action using care. I'll get the action by scanf. If suppose I give action as play, it will compare the string play and study. As these are not same, then it will go to else part and print enjoy your time. If I give action as study, then the condition gets true, then this printf will get executed. If else. Here we'll have n number of conditions to check. If these n number of conditions doesn't get true, then else part will get executed. And here is the flowchart for if else. If condition 1 is true, then it will directly get this statement executed. If it is false, it will check condition 2. If it is again false, then it will check condition 3. Like that, it will check until condition n. If even condition n is false, then it will go to else part. And here is the example to find a given year is leap year or not. Here I took a conditions as year modulo 400, year modulo 100, year modulo 4. If suppose I take year as 2024, then I'll check this condition. 2024 modulo 400 equal to 0. No, it is false. Then it will get out of this if condition, and it will check else if condition. 2024 modulo 100 equal to 0. No. Again it will get out of this else if and checks this another else if. 2024 modulo 4 equal to 0. Yes, it is true. Then the statement inside this else if will get executed as 2024 is a leap year. Here is just a pic to explain you in a clear manner. Nested if. Nested if means a single condition will have another sub condition. Here we can check. If condition 1 has a sub condition, these type of conditions are called nested if conditions. And we can also write sub conditions in else if part and else also. And here is the flow chart. You can check further. And the example about the nested leaf. Here I would like to check a person is eligible for working or not. Here first I'll take the A's. If suppose I take A's as 21, 21 is less than greater than 18, then this condition is false. It will go to else part. Again here we have another condition is a is greater than equal to 18 and a is less than equal to 50. Yes, as I took 21, this condition gets true, and it will go to it will print this statement as printf. If for printf, he or she is successfully eligible for working, and printf fill all the details and apply for it. If suppose I take age as 16, then it will directly print as this condition gets true, it will print consider as minor, not fit for working. And the switch case. First, I would like to tell a difference between switch case and if else conditions. There in the if else condition, else part is depended on if condition. But here in switch case, it is not like that. It will just go to the cases where the expression and the value is same. It doesn't depend on the previous case. And this is the syntax for switch case. Switch case expression in the sense here we have to give any condition or symbols, anything, and it will directly take as value and value to value n. And the flowchart for switch case. And here is the real life example.
an example. So our friend Kevin is a busy bub with many. Here's an example. So our friend Kevin is a busy bub with many jobs, and he needs help remembering which job he has to do each day of the week. We can help him keep track of his jobs with a switch case. First, we initialize our switch statement by stating the word switch. Then it's followed by an expression that we want to check inside our parentheses. In our case, we want to check what day our variable is. Then, we fill our switch statement with different cases. If the day is Monday, then our program will tell Kevin to work at the cafe. But if we change the day to Tuesday, then it will tell Kevin to work at the pizza parlor. If it's Friday, he'll work at the movies. However, if it's a day that doesn't have a specific case, like Saturday, then Kevin gets to relax. Here's another example, but
And the example in C language, here I am doing arithmetic operations using switch case. First, I'll take the operation what I would like to do and the operands with what I want to do. If suppose I take operator as plus and operands as 2 and 3, it will go to the case plus and it will print this statement. As I take 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and it will get out of the switch case. Like this, these cases will get executed. If I take multiplication, it will print 2 and 2 multiplies 3 and give result as 6. Ternary operator. It is also comes under conditional statement. And the syntax for this ternary operator is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. If this expression 1 is true, then expression 2 get executed. If expression 1 is false, then expression 3 gets executed. We'll check the example. Here I got the example like whether you can vote or not. Here I took condition as if age is greater than or equal to 18, you can print. El- If not true, then you can't print. If suppose I take age as 21, this as this condition gets true, this expression 1 will get executed. If suppose I take age as 16, then as it is false, expression 3 gets executed. Here is the overall flowchart on conditional statements in C. Thank you.